You can speak Tagalog, sir, or Filipino words.
No, only utang ako.
Yes! Yes, say it! Yes.
I'm thinking.
And yes, also I have words. Yes. One of the favorite habit.
You know, tayo mo, ikakapag
It's okay because Filipino, that is main dishes. Filipino language, words. Or they call habit. Habit words. Ay! It's a very, yes, they say.
somebody, you're very bad.
And then also, yes. Yes. And also the Filipino people can say you welcome to the Philippines. Yes, that's it.
Tagalog?
Yes.